Hello everyone, this is Keith Gannon of allcarstrucks.com, and today I've got a 1997 Mercedes-Benz C180 Elegance, and we're going to start her up, show you the engine, and let you know what it should sound like. This is what a proper C180 should sound like. This example is one owner. It's got 93,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and put the keys in, get her started, so you know what you can compare your car to do diagnosis, or if you're looking to buy a new vehicle, you can measure this one up against it. I put the keys in. You'll see in this example, 93,000 miles. Let me turn the volume down here. All right, so keys in the ignition, starts right up. You can see the idle is smooth and steady, just under 1,000 RPMs. We're in park. We're at 9 degrees weather. I've been driving it for the past 10 minutes, so you can see the engine's already a little warm. And as we go out, let's go to the exhaust. So 9-degree weather, just started up. You see there's no smoke, there's no, really nothing visible whatsoever coming out of the exhaust. You hear the sound. Now let's pop the hood, the bonnet. This is on a well-serviced, well-maintained vehicle. It's a little dusty, but you can see the pulleys aren't wobbly. There's no valve lash, tick, lifter tick. No knocks, no pinging. This is what right looks and sounds like. The motor isn't vibrating, the motor mounts are good. Just a really smooth running, really clean car. I'm gonna go rev the engine a few times. Also to note, the car is completely original. You can see there's been no modifications to the airbox or anything like that. '97 Mercedes C180 automatic Elegance. Let's rev the engine up a little bit here. And there you go. Subscribe to my channel, check out the other videos. We're doing engine and exhaust videos on every car now, along with the video tour. And if you want a more in-depth video on this car, we're gonna have another video up here shortly, and we'll go over all the different bells and whistles, all the buttons. We're gonna take it for a test drive, and you'll get a little more experience with the car. Thanks again.